Welcome to Module 4. In this module, we're going to define what an AIP is. We will also discuss the liquor laws pertaining to overservice and the sanctions that can happen. We will also cover the visible signs of intoxication and when to remove drinks. Also to be covered in this module is responsible sale and service of alcohol and the role of your house policy. How to read a BAC chart, and how to have intervention skills with identifying AIP and other problem guests. It is against the law to sell or serve to any person apparently under the influence of alcohol. It is also against the law to allow an apparently intoxicated person, an AIP, to purchase, possess, or consume alcohol on any liquor licensed premises. An AIP is someone who is showing 2 or more signs of intoxication. As a server, you are responsible to follow the law and not serve minors or AIPs. When you are dealing with guests who are entering your establishment or who already are in your establishment, you are constantly guiding your guests as you take care of their needs. Through the years I spent in the service industry, I trained a lot of people who had never worked with people before, as well as employees that had a ton of experience. A term I came up with training staff is this: observe, listen, evaluate, react. As you deal with your guests in all aspects, you're observing them, listening to them, evaluating what you've seen and heard, and reacting to it. You will use this skill to comply with liquor laws while providing excellent services to your guests. The bottom line is this: it is illegal to sell or serve alcohol to an AIP, even if they aren't the ones consuming the alcohol. If someone is apparently intoxicated, they cannot buy, possess, or consume an alcoholic beverage. If Bill and Ted come in and Bill's drunk and wants to pay for Ted's cocktail, he cannot do so. If you're serving a large party and the host or hostess of the party becomes intoxicated, you now have to close out the alcohol part of the tab. They can no longer purchase the alcohol. In fact, it is illegal to serve someone to the point of intoxication. As stated on this sign, no overservice. It is illegal for any person apparently under the influence of alcohol to purchase or consume alcohol on this premises. What happens if you serve an AIP? You can receive a criminal citation or an AVN, fined and or have your permit suspended or revoked, may be sued. When people consume alcohol, it is going to affect them and they will begin to show signs of intoxication. What signs of intoxication do you notice about people? Here's some example. Slurring of speech. Loud becomes quiet. Quiet becomes loud.
Yeah. Hey guys, I really gotta go to the bathroom, so I'm gonna be right back, okay?
Alright. Yeah, you gonna take a drink with you?
Alright, later. Oh, we'll leave that right there.
You might want to leave some breadcrumbs so you can find your way back.
The change of speech. A lot of people will slur, but others may begin to talk very articulate because they know if they slur, they will not get another cocktail. They become emotional. They're boasting. They become obnoxious or aggressive.
Yeah, it's like watching Fight Club. Makes me want to kick the crap out of somebody.
Yeah, definitely. Plenty of people in here.
Maybe this guy, because this thing's like a sissy drink.
I know, what the hell is this?
They become careless with money. Well, first off, their whole attitude about money. They'll start buying people drinks. They'll buy people the rounds for the house. They'll start complaining about the price or the strength of the drink. They become argumentative. You also notice a change in their eyes. They blink in slow motion. They become glassy. They become watery. They lose their focus. Get the whole 1,000-yard stare. Just watch their eyes, just that whole. And they blink in slow motion. And they get pirate eye. Look and they go. Which one do you see on a continuing basis? Remember, once they begin to show signs of intoxication, you have to take corrective action and remove their drink.